Welcome back to your practice. Today, we grow one quality together: presence. The simple art of being here, now. In the next 10 minutes, we'll understand it, practice it, and find one way to carry it into your day. So let's begin right now. A slow breath in and a long, soft breath out, arriving here. I'm glad you're here. Let's come home together. Let's begin with something simple that's so easy to forget. Right now is the only moment you have ever lived in. Think about it for a moment. You have never once lived a single second in the past or in the future. The past is only a memory, arriving now. The future is only a thought, arriving now. Your whole life has only ever happened here, in this one moving moment. And yet, the mind spends so much of its time somewhere else, replaying yesterday, rehearsing tomorrow, worrying, planning, remembering. And while the mind wanders off, the actual moment of our life quietly passes by, unnoticed. We can spend a whole day, even a whole year, barely here for any of it. Presence is simply coming back, again and again, to the life that is actually happening. And here is the good news. There is a door into the present that is always open and always with you. Your breath. You cannot breathe yesterday's breath or tomorrow's. The breath only ever happens now. So whenever you notice you're lost in thought, you can simply feel one breath and you are home. And this is not about forcing the mind to be silent. The mind will wander. That is what minds do. It is not a mistake. Presence is just the gentle returning, noticing you drifted and coming back. 100 times, 1,000 times, if that's what it takes. And each return is the practice. Each return is a small coming home. So that is our practice today. To come home to the only moment we ever truly have. This one. So, let us begin. Find a position that feels steady and awake. Let your hands rest, open and soft, and gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a longer breath out. And as you exhale, let yourself arrive fully here. Let's begin by simply noticing where you already are. Feel the weight of your body resting held by the ground beneath you. Notice the points of contact where you meet the chair or the floor. This is happening now, solid and real. Now, let your attention settle on your breath, not changing it, just feeling it exactly as it is. Feel the cool air as it enters and the warm air as it leaves. This breath is happening now, the only one that truly exists. You don't have to hold on to it. Each breath arrives and passes, and a new one comes. Just rest your attention here, riding the gentle waves of the breath, in and out. Now, here is the whole practice, simple and gentle. Rest your attention on the breath, and at some point, soon, the mind will wander. A thought, a memory, a plan will carry you away, and that is completely fine. The moment you notice you've drifted, that noticing is mindfulness. You don't need to judge it or be frustrated. Just gently say to yourself, thinking, and come home to one breath. Breathe in, arriving. Breathe out, here. And now, let the present open a little wider. Notice any sounds, arriving and passing, near and far. Notice the air on your skin, the small sensations of being alive. Right now, there is a whole world happening in this moment, quietly waiting to be noticed. And whenever you drift, you already know the way back. One breath, and you're home. For these last few moments, there is nowhere to go and nothing to reach for. Just be here in the only moment there ever is. This one, the breath, moving on its own, the quiet hum of being alive. You don't have to hold your attention tightly. Just rest lightly here and notice how peaceful it is when you are simply where you already are. The practice is complete. Notice how you feel now compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little clearer, a little more awake, a little more here. Here is how to carry this into your day. A few times today, take one conscious breath and fully arrive. While the kettle boils, waiting in a line, before you open a door. One breath, come home and really be there for that small moment of your life. And if this practice brought you something, you can subscribe and we'll grow another quality together soon. In a moment, let your eyes open slowly and carry this quiet presence into whatever comes next. May peace find you, and may you remember, the only moment you ever have to live is this one.